Hey traders, welcome to the Mistrade Daily Report. It's Monday, just after the cash close. Sort of a rotational day today. Hope everybody had a good day. Mondays are sort of weird after the options expiration. Of course, this was also a quadruple witching week, or last week was, so it was a little different. And of course, we're coming upon the FOMC meeting, which happens to start tomorrow. The FOMC meeting begins tomorrow, and then they'll actually announce on Wednesday at 2:15 Central, or excuse me, Eastern Standard Time. Now, news for tomorrow: we have 8:30 a.m. That's Eastern Standard Time. We have housing starts. So let's look at some levels. Not a lot has changed. Again, I think some people got fooled into try to get in short this morning. We did find some support at that 81 level we were looking for. We had a few numbers down there at 81. A lot of us were looking for the 71 to pick some positions up and also cover down there. But you can see here on a daily basis, we've got this really nice hammer producing here, which is usually a bullish sign. Now we'll see in the Globex if this can carry through to the upside or not. But remember, we're coming up on FOMC meeting, and there could be a lot of gyration here. We saw nothing but grind today, and it was a 10-point grind. Let's go down to a lower time frame here. After we sold off to 81, we popped back up into the range, and we basically we went sideways, up and down range bound until just this afternoon we got some news out of Greece. And it was rumors that they were getting close to a deal with the banks, and of course that popped it up and probably squeezed a few of the shorts out and ran it up into that I believe it's 1203.75 is the high up there. So be careful, guys. The market still is jittery. You've heard me say this before. It is still jittery, and you have to be careful. Be prudent and use stops. Follow your rules and, of course, your plan. Now, let's take a look at some levels. As we said, we're sort of grinding back and forth. You can look on a 30-minute chart. That tells you if there's really any trend going on. One thing I wanted to show you from last week, we had this pattern, this failed pattern. This was a really nice wedge here, and when this thing popped late in the day, we thought, oh my gosh, this thing's heading for 22 and up to 1222 all the way up to 1250 area. And of course, we gapped way down this morning, and we do a nice grind until this afternoon. We get this nice pop right back into that basically the bottom of these candles here, which we talked about, that 1203, 1204 area. That was a very nice area to be watching. We slammed right into it and we sold off, and now we're just sort of hovering around. Got a gap close up above, so we have to watch that gap close now. That gap close is 1211. Settlement from Friday is 1211, so we have to watch that level. Above that, we have the 1214 level. So let's just call it a range of 1211 to 1214. Again, above that, as we talked yesterday, we have this level, this range from 22 up to 24. And I like the 72 or 1272 extension. We keep on going up in that 36 area. Like that quite a bit as well. Now on the downside, 81 is now sort of the line in the sand. If we break 81, probably going to visit the 71 area. I have a little bit down there at 71, so let's make a range down there, 70 to 72 and a quarter. 70 to 72 and a quarter. I don't anticipate unless something crazy happens, I don't anticipate us going higher than 21 or below 70 before FOMC on Wednesday. But we've seen crazier things. So it's a few levels to look at, guys. Again, trade your plan. Be careful. Use stops. And if you don't want to trade until after FOMC, that's totally okay, because really it's a herky-jerky motion, and we don't have. And even if we do get a direction, it doesn't stay in that direction for very long. Everybody's waiting on the number right now, so tomorrow morning could be a quick move and then a lot of grind, what we call a lot of algo grind through the rest of the day. So with that, guys, be patient. Have a great day trading tomorrow. Watch your levels, and we will talk to you tomorrow night. Take care.